Hello and welcome. In this video, we will show you how leadership teams can move from reactive reporting to proactive revenue monitoring. Organizations that operate across multiple departments often struggle with timely weekly revenue visibility. Billing fluctuations go unnoticed, month-to-date performance is reviewed too late, and leadership teams are left reacting rather than anticipating issues. One of our clients, an engineering services firm, faced this exact challenge. They needed a faster, more reliable way to compare week-on-week billings, monitor month-to-date performance, and identify underperforming departments early. So we designed this analysis tool for CXOs and department heads. With this dashboard, teams can monitor billing trends over time, identify underperforming departments quickly, track monthly progress, and ensure targets are met, improve cash flow management and stability. If you are currently dealing with similar challenges, you can book a free consultation using the link below. Now, let's take a quick look at how this works. At the top, we have KPIs showing both the current week's and the current month's billings, while comparing them against the previous period. On the left, we see department-wise billings, comparing each department's performance with last week. And on the right, we have the weekly billings trend. If you want to catch billing slowdowns before they affect cash flow, you can book a free consultation using the link below. Now, let's dive deeper. At the top, we see the KPI for the week ending 16th March 2024. This week, billings closed at $5.99 million compared to $8.02 million in the previous week. That's a decline of $2.03 million, about 25% in just 1 week. Looking at March so far, total billings are $7.73 million, which is only 39% of February's $19.64 million. This shows that not only has the weekly performance dropped, but the month overall is pacing much slower than the previous one. Next, let's look at department-wise performance on the left. Each bar shows the current week's billings and compares it with the previous week. Green bars indicate departments that billed more this week, while gray bars indicate those that billed less. While some departments performed better, 5 of them billed lower than the previous week. This view is fully interactive. We can select any department to filter the dashboard and see its detailed trend in the chart on the right side. For example, if we click and select Chicago Construction, the dashboard filters automatically for this department alone. In this chart, we can see weekly billings over time. The color coding makes it easy to read. Gray bars indicate weeks where billings fell short of target. Green bars indicate weeks where targets were met. And the red line indicates the 1-month moving average. For Chicago, we see many gray bars here. It means billings have consistently missed targets for past few weeks. This is a red flag and needs immediate attention. To see how this tool performs on your own billings data, you can schedule a free billing performance review right now. We are your trusted data analytics partner. If you need a similar dashboard or any other custom data solution, then get in touch with us today.